OpenAI recently unveiled its new AI agent called Deep Research, claiming that it can perform tasks at the level of a professional researcher. According to the company, the tool can do work in 10 minutes that would take a human hours. Deep Research is an AI agent that uses OpenAI's latest model called O3, which is optimized for web search and data analysis. Users enter a query, and ChatGPT then finds, analyzes, and synthesizes information from a variety of online sources, including text, images, and PDFs, to create a comprehensive report. Users can ask questions using text, images, and additional files like PDFs or spreadsheets to add context. The process takes between 5 and 30 minutes, making it significantly faster than traditional research methods. Instead of simply generating text, it shows a summary of its process in a sidebar, with citations and a summary showing the process used for reference. A press release says that the model powering Deep Research scored a new high for accuracy on an AI benchmark dubbed Humanity's Last Exam, which asked for responses to expert-level questions. The OpenAI Deep Research model reached an accuracy of 26.6% with browsing and Python tools enabled, well above GPT-4o's 3.3%, and the next highest scorer, its O3 Mini, high, model evaluated only on text, at 13%. Humanity's Last Exam, HLE, is a global collaborative effort with questions from nearly 1,000 subject expert contributors affiliated with over 500 institutions across 50 countries, comprised mostly of professors, researchers, and graduate degree holders. The Deep Research agent was tested using the Gaia benchmark. The results showed that Deep Research significantly outperforms previous models and sets a new standard in the field. In particular, Deep Research achieved an average accuracy of 67.36% on the first pass at 1, and 72.57% when consolidating results after 64 passes, cons at 64, significantly higher than the previous best result of 63.64%. These results demonstrate the ability of Deep Research to effectively handle tasks that require complex reasoning, multiple accesses to external sources, and the use of various tools, making it a powerful tool for deep research and analysis. Advantages: searches for information on the internet itself, text, PDF, images, etc. Yes, we have seen this in Perplexity and in the most common GPT search, but here is a new level of quality. Asks clarifying questions to give a better answer. Provides reports with quotes and explains its logic for constructing an answer. Adapts to new information on the fly, i.e., even if it found some information, it double-checks it, analyzes the link, and if there is no trust, it does not include it in the answer, and does not just collect data. Can draw graphs and build tables based on the research it has performed. Who will find this useful? Various types of professionals: financiers, scientists, engineers, buyers. As it seems to me, now it will be very easy to find a product at a super sweet price. Students, well, this is already clear. However, despite the claimed benefits, questions arise about the real need for such a tool. Do we really need another AI agent that will help with research? Perhaps the next step will be an AI that will study the effectiveness of other AIs, creating an endless loop of self-reflection. In addition, OpenAI warns that Deep Research can hallucinate, invent unreliable facts. The algorithm is not always able to distinguish authoritative sources from rumors and false information. This means that users should be careful and not rely entirely on the results provided by the AI without additional verification. OpenAI added that Deep Research is still in its early stages and has limitations. It may struggle with distinguishing authoritative information from rumors, and currently shows weakness in confidence calibration, often failing to convey uncertainty accurately, it said. It is interesting to note that the launch of Deep Research comes shortly after OpenAI announced its intention to accelerate product releases in response to the achievements of its Chinese competitor DeepSeek. This raises the question of whether the release of this tool is a hasty move in an attempt to keep up with competitors, without due consideration of potential risks and limitations. Ultimately, instead of making our lives easier, such developments may lead to us spending more time checking and rechecking the results of AI work than on our own research. Perhaps it is worth considering whether we have gone too far in the desire to automate everything and everyone? So far, only available for ChatGPT Pro, 100 requests per month. But even earlier, Sam Altman promised that agents will be available for the Plus subscription. We will see. In general, this trend that has been in OpenAI lately is a little annoying. Available for the US previously, their releases were as global as possible right away. Although the quality is much better, but still. It's a neural network, which means it can make mistakes. Check your sources, guys, and don't trust it blindly, especially in important matters. They promise to add graphs and tables later. Well, Europe with Great Britain and company, for now in the status working on it. Sam Altman is delighted. What else could he write? It's clear that he praises. It's like a superpower. ChatGPT will conduct research itself and give an expert-level result. He wrote. The year of agents continues. And quite cheerfully. Deep Research is the second AI agent launched by OpenAI this year after the company introduced a tool called Operator in January that can perform various tasks, such as creating to-do lists or helping with vacation planning.